Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. I just want to make a quick video for you guys showing you that Fortnite is now on the App Store. It is live. If you guys want to go download it, it's about 2 gigs, so it's a pretty big file. But you can't actually play it unless you've got a beta invite, which are rolling out actually as we speak. So you guys can get in on that as well. So let's pop open the app and see what it's all about. I have not actually opened it yet, so that's pretty much what I thought it would do. I thought it would cut my video recording, but anyways, allow notifications, sure. So let's see what this is all about. Tap to start, okay. And have you redeemed an invite to play? So I'm already on the waiting list, but if you're not, you guys can click no. And when you hit no, it will just bring you to their website and you guys can sign up. So Fortnite is now on the iPhone. Go check it out if you want. I just want to make this quick video just to keep you guys in the loop because I know this is a huge game. I've never actually played it. I play Rules of Survival. If you guys want to add me up, my username is Slimothy. But until Fortnite is rolled out completely, I will be still on Rules of Survival unless this game, Fortnite is better in every way, which we will have to see. So that's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.